Hello and welcome. My name is Amul and you are watching TubeMint. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Python on Windows 10. So let's go ahead and first download Python. Go to python.org and you put the cursor on downloads button and then simply click the Python 3.13.6. This will download the Python installer. Web-based installer shouldn't take long time. Once it is downloaded, we can install Python quickly with this installer. So let this installation complete, and this is almost done. So I'm going to launch it. Once it is installed, you can locate this file, the application, installer application. You got to check this add python.exe to path. You can also customize, like I do not want to install the documentation, Python test suite, PyLauncher, TK, TD and TK, idle. These are all packages that will be installed with this Python. So I'll go back. Now make sure this is checked and say install now. Say yes on the Windows UAC, and this should be all you require to do. Alright, so now you can go ahead and wait, and it shouldn't take long time. You can go ahead and you can see Python is installing everything that is required. Now after installation, I'll go ahead and make sure I've got Python 3.13.6. I will check the Python version and also run the hello command. Simple function called print. Okay, so here we go, and we are all done. Python is almost installed. You can see Python is installing Bootstrap, pip Bootstrap. The operating system type like 32-bit and 64-bit is selected by default. Python is installed. Now I can go ahead and launch my command prompt. Check the Python version, Python 3.136. I can also launch the Python interactive shell and print hello world. It works. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.